At number 5, the Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is on this list for one reason. It's the kind of vehicle that usually doesn't punish you for owning it. Here's where the money goes over 5 years. Depreciation, $10,377 or 29%. Insurance, just under 10 grand. Fuel, $7,700, that's 21%. Interest, $5,800, and maintenance and repairs, just under $2,000. Here's what I like about that breakdown. Look at maintenance, just under 2 grand over 5 years. That's not free, but it's not scary either. That's one reason RAV4 owners tend to stay happy. Fewer surprise costs. And depreciation is also kept in check compared to a lot of other crossovers. Here's a snapshot. A typical new price is around 38 grand, just under that. Estimated value after 5 years, 27,000. So the 5-year depreciation, just over 10 grand. Now a key point here, that 27.3 is more like a retail market estimate. If you're trading it in, you might get less. If you sell private party, maybe more. Either way, that gives you a reality check. Buyer advice, how to make it even cheaper. Don't overpay up front. RAV4 pricing can vary a lot by trim and region, so check quotes.everymandriver.com to see what the real market is doing in your zip code. Shop insurance quotes before you buy. Insurance is nearly tied with depreciation here. Just under 10 grand is a big number. If you're financing, don't let a long loan quietly inflate the total cost. Interest for this example, again, just under $6,000. If you're paying a premium because it's a RAV4 and you're ignoring cheaper alternatives with similar total ownership costs, then you're buying the badge, not the math. Next, the Fiat 500e. This one is the wait, what entry? The Fiat 500e makes a list because energy cost is tiny, but there's a giant asterisk. Depreciation, $15,600 over 5 years, that's 44%. Insurance, $11,775, that's 33%. Fuel, $2,100, only 6%. Interest, 5 grand. Maintenance and repairs, $1,100 and change. So yes, the fuel number is low, $2,100 over 5 years, but depreciation is huge. That's the trade-off. It's cheap to run, but potentially expensive to exit. Also notice the insurance, $11,775. For a small car, that's not what most people expect. Here's the buyer advice, how to shop this one safely. This is not a pay MSRP and hope kind of vehicle. This is a deal hunter vehicle. You want incentives, rebates, or a steep discount. You want to compare lease versus buy. And you want to be honest about how long you're keeping it. If you're flipping cars every 2 to 3 years, depreciation matters a lot. If your driving is mostly local, you can charge easily and you can land a deal that's meaningfully below typical pricing. Then sure, the low energy and low maintenance can feel great day to day. Compare your all-in costs against a similarly priced gas car. If you're saving on fuel but losing it all to depreciation and insurance, it's not really a win. And yes, before you sign anything, run pricing through quotes.everymandriver.com. At number 3, the Honda Civic Si. 5-year total cost, $35 and change. This is the fun one that still behaves financially. That's rare. Here's where the money goes over 5 years. Depreciation, just over 10 grand, so 29%. Insurance, 31% at $11,000. 20% in fuel, $7,200. 14% in interest, and 5% in maintenance at just over $1,800. The Civic Si holds its own because depreciation stays reasonable and maintenance doesn't get out of control, so you're not punished for wanting something with personality. But the watch out is the insurance, 11 grand over 5 years. That's not insane, but it's also not Civic LX cheap either. So here's the advice. Get insurance quotes first. Performance trims can get rated differently than the base car. Don't buy this with a giant interest rate because the payment fits. Interest again, just under $5,000. If you want something practical but you refuse to drive something that feels like an appliance, I get it. The Civic Si is one of the best compromises. It's also a vehicle where smart maintenance and not abusing it can keep ownership costs calm. Compare it to a regular Civic or Civic Hybrid if you're purely optimizing costs. But if you value driving feel, the SI can be one of the few fun buys that doesn't turn into a financial regret. Next, the Honda HR-V, 5-year total cost of ownership, just over almost $35,000. The HR-V is one of those vehicles you buy when you want life to be simple. And financially, that's usually a good move. Here's where the money goes over 5 years. 27% to depreciation, just over $9,300. 29% for insurance, $10,000 and change. 24% fuel, 14% interest, and 7% for maintenance and repairs. Where it stands out, depreciation is low, $9,319, which is a big reason the total stays near the bottom of the list. The costs are balanced and predictable. The not amazing part is fuel, $8,200 over 5 years, 24% of the total. So if you drive a lot, this can creep upwards depending on fuel prices. If you're a high mileage driver, compare fuel economy and run the numbers. Check insurance quotes anyway. Even cheap cars can surprise you based on where you live. HR-Vs can get marked up in some areas, so don't assume it's always a bargain. Price check it on the link below, quotes.everymandriver.com. And if you want a compact SUV with practicality without luxury car repair bills or complicated drivetrains, this is a safe bet. It's the kind of car that just quietly does its job. And at number 1, the Toyota Camry, 5-year total cost of ownership, $34,297. That is the winner over 5 years. And what's funny is the Camry wins by doing boring things really well. Here's where the money goes over 5 years. 37% in depreciation, so $12,500. 30% in insurance, just over $10,000. $4,500 in fuel, $5,400 in interest, and $1,500 in maintenance. But here's the big reason it takes number 1. Fuel. $4,500 over 5 years is the lowest fuel number on this list by far. That's how it wins. Your ongoing cost stays controlled. Now, depreciation is higher than the HR-V and RAV4, but the Camry offsets that with strong efficiency and low maintenance. Maintenance and repairs, again, $1,503 over 5 years. Camry prices can swing based on trim and inventory. Some areas discount them, some don't. Don't guess. Verify pricing, whatever is the lowest advertised area in your area with the link below. If you're financing, don't ignore the interest. If you want a vehicle that's efficient, predictable, and less likely to surprise you with big costs, this is why the Camry is still the smart adult purchase. So that's the list, 5 vehicles between $30,000 and $50,000 with the lowest 5-year ownership cost based on these category estimates. And here's the lesson most people miss. If you want the cheapest ownership experience, the game is usually won or lost in 3 places: depreciation, plus insurance, plus financing. Fuel matters, but it's rarely the whole story. What vehicle have you owned that was the cheapest to live with, and what vehicle absolutely destroyed you with hidden costs? Drop that story in the comments. If this video helped, subscribe for more real-world buying breakdowns. And before you buy anything, new or used, car, truck, or SUV, check out the link below, quotes.everymandriver.com, so you don't overpay in the first place.
One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com. You can save $50 right now on the Nuvio Recovery Chiller. It works with any tub, bathtub, cold tub, indoors or out. Just plug it in, set the temperature, and start plunging. Use my code below and grab your deal today. Want to save 5% on your very own at-home barrel sauna? I've partnered with Almost Heaven to hook you up. This has been a game changer for my recovery and daily routine. Use my code and link below and start sweating smarter. You can save 5% on the red light panel that I use every week. This platinum LED Biomax works anywhere: bedroom, gym, recovery room, and is packed with science-backed benefits. Use my code below and start feeling the difference today.